Hello everybody, this is Jeanette. Got my package in the mail today. This is going to be my pink Kikki personal planner. Just got it from the postal delivery lady. And I'm just going to cut it open with you all. We're all going to do this together here. Okay, so ooh, look at that pretty box. What? This is the box. It's so pretty. Okay, take that out, set that to the side. Okay, move the box. I'm just going to sit this camera down here. Set it up. And we can open this up together. Alright, so this is it. This is my pink Kikki. Let's open it up nice. This is leather personal planner. Ta! This is my little baby. Okay. Comes in this pretty pink box. I'm going to keep the box. And wrap it. Oh, it's a pretty pink. It looks darker actually on the site. And it's a pretty pink. Let me see if you can see it. This is the actual color. It's like a softer pink. I thought it would be a brighter pink, but just a little softer. And it's textured. And the stitching, everything, check it out. Oh, that's a little bit of glue or something. That's nothing. That came right off. So this is the inside. And I'm just going to peel this off here on the bottom. Take that off. And this is the band, just tells you everything that's inside of it. Studded button closure, pin holder, 6-ring binder, 4 card holders, 2 large pockets, 1 inside zipper case. Includes an 18-month calendar, perpetual calendar, to-do list, today notepad, meeting notes, 4 blank tabs and with note papers, and line notepad, and 3 sticker sheets. So that's what that says. And this, let's set it up, has these cards like that, and this texture here. It has the lining there on that side. Zipper works well. We have that pocket back there, and we have this. I'll take this out. And my rings all look great. No gapping in between my ring. Okay. These are the sticker sheets here. So we get 3 sets of stickers. All of them like different in different colors there. This is my personal. This is my personal information. My calendar. The papers are a little cream. It's like a cream color. It's not white. It's more like a cream color, but it's just like the other personal planners. The dividers are a brighter color. So, yeah. And no stains or anything. Got a few spots there. No big deal. Not to me anyway. Just a small dot there. Small spot there. But, hey. Works for me. I'm not a picky person. It's covered up anyway, so. This is my pencil holder here. That's fine. Snap is fine. So, yes, this is it. She is a pretty pink. And I'm going to keep her, and that's the amount of paper that you get in the personal planners. It's different from the time planners. Snaps well. And so, yes, this is the unboxing of my pink Kikki personal planner. Ah, yay! I'm so happy I got this one. I really love the pink in this. But yes, this is it. This is my unboxing. Everything is well. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. And have a great day. Bye.